Cutting, trimming, color grading, captioning, video editing used to take hours. But now, artificial intelligence is changing the game. Whether you're a filmmaker, YouTuber, or just making TikToks, AI can now do most of the heavy lifting. AI tools for video editing use machine learning to automate tasks that were once manual and time-consuming. From removing background noise to generating B-roll, these tools are smarter than ever. Do like and subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming tools. Let's explore what these tools can actually do. 1. Auto editing and trimming. Tools like Descript can automatically remove filler words, silences, and even generate subtitles instantly. 2. Smart color grading. AI-assisted color grading uses machine learning to balance tones and match cinematic looks without deep technical knowledge. 3. Background removal and object tracking. Need to change your background? Tools like Runway can do it without a green screen, using AI segmentation. 4. Voice and audio enhancement. It's bad audio? No problem. I can now isolate voices, remove background noise, and even resync audio with lips automatically. 5. Auto reframing and format conversion. Need your video in multiple formats? AI tools can reframe for vertical, square, or widescreen, automatically following the subject. Pros and cons. AI tools save time, reduce costs, and open up creative opportunities, even for beginners. But there are limits. Pros: faster turnaround, accessible for non-editors, consistent quality. Cons: less creative control, occasional mistakes. Over-reliance can hurt learning. For professionals, it's not about replacing creativity, it's about accelerating workflow. The future. Imagine describing a video edit with your voice, and watching it happen in real time. That's not sci-fi. It's already in development. And with generative AI, soon we might not just edit videos, we'll create them from pure imagination. AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to take away the boring parts. The future of video editing is faster, smarter, and more creative than ever.